Greetings, fellow crafters. I have Happy Mail. Let's take a look and see what it is. Okay, so today is July the 2nd, the day after Canada Day, and this package just showed up. I think I know what it is, but we'll see. Post it over my address. Ah, yes, it is what I thought it was. Okay, so I ordered this pretty much at the beginning of my diamond painting shopping spree. Where's Gems Flow? And intended to have it as the first project for my kids, because I ordered it through Amazon. I ordered it through Amazon, paid $19.99 Canadian and $7.99 shipping, and this is way overdue. In fact, I've actually been refunded for this because I didn't think it was going to show up, and then as soon as I asked to be refunded, the tracking started updating. I kid you not. So I will have to take a look at this and see if this is something I need to go back and talk to Amazon. It's like, Sue, I get refunded for this, and then it showed up, so now what? Okay. Yeah, this is for the kids. These are 19 stickers. Excuse the crinkling. Some of them are princesses, and some of them are superheroes. And I will put the information, including the vendor, down below. So yeah, I ordered this April 30th. It is now the 1st of July, and I am just now getting it. Bags and bags and bags and bags and bags. Okay, so this is being treated as two separate kits. They did have these separate, and I ordered it together because my kids like princesses and superheroes. So these are the princesses. That's Anna. That's Lord Riding Hood, Snow White. I think that's supposed to be Aurora. That's probably Rapunzel. That's probably Elsa. Ariel, Alice from Alice in Wonderland, Belle, and Cinderella is what that looks like. And it's got its own little package of drills. It doesn't look like there's any DMC numbers on these, but they're a code, or there's no schematic. So you just go by the colors. So there's a white, a light blue. Bring it in a little bit. Flip that over so you have more. There's a white that's E, a light blue is A, 4 is a purple, and then there's a yellow there. And 1 is black, 2 is gray, 3 is a more brighter yellow, and there's a couple of pinks, a red, an orange, an even lighter pink, a sort of orange brown toffee kind of color, and another blue. So that is the princesses. These are supposed to be sort of 8-bit figures, which they are. I'm going to stick these back in here because I don't want to get them mixed up. So that's the princesses. And these are our superheroes. That looks like the Marvel lineup. No, we've got 2 DC and the rest are all Marvel. Which shouldn't surprise me considering the current slate of movies out there. Batman and Superman are our DC heroes. Then we have Thor and Loki together here. And then we have Iron Man, Captain America, Spider-Man, the Hulk, and Black Widow. Each one comes with its own plain Jane toolkit. Again, no DMT numbers on these. They do have a code on them. So these ones all have SS002 for the princesses. The code isn't on these canvases though. So definitely make sure you keep the schematic with it. So here we have sort of a greeny gray, pink. It's probably going to be a flesh tone. Yes, A. I see a lot of A in faces because none of these are anything but white with the exception of Hulk green. There's a dark blue, an orange, a brighter orange, red, yellow, gray, lots of black, some purple. That's probably Hulk shorts there. Some white, some blue, and some bluey black. 9. It's like an 823 dark blue. And that is Marvel stickers. So yeah, I have some contacting to do with regards to Amazon. I will put a link in the description for where I got these from. And I'm going to have to de-kit the projects that the girls have been working on. They picked up some more sample kits from Given Diamond Dot stuff. I will put some pictures up here for you to look at of what they've been doing. But that is these. So that goes with that and that goes with that. Not bad. I think I paid an awful lot for these, especially considering that they took 2 months to get here. I did not pay that much for the Pokemon stickers. I did not pay that much for a lot of their stuff. But they're here. And I will contact Amazon about what they want me to do with regards to the fact that I've been refunded for these things that just showed up. But I had like no updates at all. That's why I went and complained to them. Because I was afraid, we were getting to the 60-day mark, and I was afraid that if I didn't say something and I never did receive them, I was never going to get any money back. So I complained and they refunded me because Amazon does that. And now I kind of feel bad. But I will try and take care of that. Okay. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you found this informative. I'm going to leave any relevant links in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.